Okay guys, so I just spent all morning, a few hours, searching for a method on how to get free Nintendo Switch games. And I've finally managed to do that, guys. So this tutorial is gonna run through the steps and show you exactly how to get any Nintendo Switch game for free. This is super easy. It does take about 5 to 10 minutes. So just make sure you follow all of these instructions and let's get into the tutorial. Let's get into the tutorial, guys. I'm going to be showing you how to get Nintendo Switch games for free, and this is going to allow you to get any single, so you can get one game for free, and it's anything from the Nintendo eShop. Apologies in advance, I've got a bit of a cough, so I'm going to try and resist coughing, but anyway, you need to use your mobile phone and go to the internet and go to this website, www.wavycoupons.com. So head on over to this website here, wavycoupons.com. Now this website doesn't only have, of course, Nintendo Switch games. They have tons and tons of different things, so you can literally have a browse through here. I recommend bookmarking this website because no matter what you're going to be buying or whatever online, usually they can save you money. So go to the search bar and search for the Nintendo page. So you're looking for this page here, Nintendo gift cards and codes. So navigate your way to this page on Wavy Coupons. Now you can see these coupons are limited, guys. So I'm going to show you how to do it, but I'm not going to run through the entire process because I want to save these codes and I don't actually need any more Nintendo games, but yeah, it's pretty easy. So you can see, guys, there is a few different options, but this is the one we were interested in. Any game for free from the Nintendo eShop. So if you click on show coupon, you're going to see this pop up, guys, and you need to unlock your personal code. Now this code is going to basically remove the cost of any game that you add to your eShop basket, and it's going to remove the cost and it's going to be completely free, so you can choose any game. But these codes, of course, are worth quite a bit of money, so this prevents people from stealing the codes. So you can see it is a protected code, so you need to unlock your personal game code, guys. Now, like I said, I'm not going to run through the entire process, but you're going to need to do this. And when this gets to 100%, so let me just back out of here just so I don't waste codes. When that gets to 100%, you're going to see a new screen and it will tell you how to unlock your code. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes. You need to complete a couple of these simple tasks, and they can range from like downloading and playing some free games to answering questions. I know it sounds annoying, and it is a little bit annoying, but it's well worth it considering how much money this is going to save you. So as you're probably aware, Nintendo Switch games are quite expensive. But anyway, head on over to Wavy Coupons. Just follow through the instructions. It's very important you verify yourself, so just follow through the steps and enjoy, guys. I'll see you in the next video.